Before I could ground myself, I had to survive the bugs first. Today's flow is about reconnecting and grounding yourself in softness. Let's take a deep breath together and let yourself arrive. Let's begin with some gentle rocks side to side. Feel your sit bones rooted into the earth. Take slow breaths here. Keep in mind that it is safe to feel soft. Let's move into 3 big shoulder rolls forward and 3 big shoulder rolls backwards. Let's repeat this one more time and then move in to some neck stretches. Let's begin to bring our ear to our shoulder and hold for 5 seconds on each side. Let's move to our hands and knees and begin 3 rounds of cat-cow pose. On the 3rd round, gently sway into child's pose. Sway your hips side to side and feel the safety of the ground beneath you. Let's repeat this one more time. We will now transition into low lunge, bringing one foot forward and the other knee down. You may use a block for support or a small stool. Place your hands on your thigh as you lean into the stretch. You should feel your chest opening with each deep breath here. It's time to repeat on the other side. Remember to listen to your body and always modify if needed. If your knee has any discomfort in this pose, you may use a towel or blanket to place underneath. Remember to take soft, deep breaths here. Lie on your back, bring one knee to the side, arms out, while gazing in the opposite direction. Stay here for 1 minute. It's time to switch legs and repeat on the other side. Let's move into a supported bridge. You may use a blanket or block for this pose. Let's start with placing it under your lower back and relax into the pose. Breathe into the belly. Let's end in Shavasana while laying fully down, hands on heart or palms up. Let your body be heavy. Let yourself be held. Feel your body melting into the earth like roots gently growing from your spine, anchoring you in peace. Your softness is powerful. Your presence is enough. The air is holding you. The ground is holding you. You do not have to hold yourself right now. When you're ready to rise, carry this softness with you. Let it guide your day. Namaste.